हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू टेप ट्यूटोरियल। माय नेम इज़ भाविका पटेल। आज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं 9 साइंस चैप्टर 15 इम्प्रूवमेंट इन फूड रिसोर्सेज टेक्स्ट बुक क्वेश्चन आंसर। क्वेश्चन 1, what what do we get from cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables? आंसर है cereals give carbohydrates which provide energy. Pulses give protein which build our body. Vegetable and fruits provide vitamin and minerals. How do biotic and abiotic factors affect crop production? Factors responsible for loss or gain during storage and production are biotic production are a biotic factor like rodents, pests, insects, etc. B. Abiotic factor like temperature, humidity, moisture, etc. Combination of both biotic and abiotic factors causes infestation of insects, weight loss, poor germination ability, degradation in quality, decoloration, and poor market price. Okay. Question 2. What are the desirable agronomic characteristic for crop improvements? आंसर है डिजायरेबल एग्रोनॉमिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ फॉर क्रॉप इम्प्रूवमेंट आर टॉलनेस एंड प्रोफ्यूज branching are desirable characters for fodder crops. And B. Dwarfness is desired in cereal so that less nutrients are consumed by this crop. What are the macronutrients and why are they called macronutrients? Answer है macronutrients are the essential element which are utilized by plant in a large quantity. Many micronutrients are required by the plant for following function. यहाँ function है as the constituent of protoplasm. NPS are present in protein, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur. Okay, are present in protein. Calcium, calcium is present in cell wall. Mg, magnesium is important constituent of chlorophyll. How do plant get nutrient? Plant get nutrient from air, water and soil. Okay. There are 16 nutrients essential for growth of plants. Carbon, oxygen are supplied by water. The remaining 13 nutrients are supplied by soil, जो माइक्रो और न्यूट्रिएंट और मैक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट होते हैं. ठीक है. और कई न्यूट्रिएंट जो एयर में होते हैं जैसे कार्बन, ऑक्सीजन, वो supplied by water. Okay. Compare the use of manure and fertilizer in maintaining soil fertility. Effect answer है effect of using manures of soil quality. The manures enrich the soil with nutrient. They provide a lot of organic matter, humus to soil, and thus restore water retention capacity of sandy soil and drainage in clay soil. Third, the addition of manures reduce soil erosion, for they provide food for soil organism like soil friendly bacteria. इफेक्ट ऑफ यूजिंग फर्टिलाइजर ऑन सॉइल क्वालिटी. फर्स्ट है, by the continuous use of fertilizer the soil become powdery, dry and rate of soil erosion increases. Second, by the use of fertilizer the organic matter decreases, which further decrease the porosity of soil and the plant root do not get oxygen properly. Third, the nature of soil changes to acidic or basic. Which of the following condition will give most benefit? Why? A. Farmer use high quality seed, do not adopt irrigation or use fertilizer. Farmer use ordinary seed, adopt irrigation and use fertilizer. C. Farmer use quality seed, adopt irrigation, use fertilizer and use crop protection measure. तो हमारा ऑप्शन सी, जिसमें फार्मर अच्छी क्वालिटी का सीड यूज़ करता है, इरिगेशन भी करता है, फर्टिलाइजर भी डालता है, तो उसका क्रॉप अच्छा रहेगा. तो फार्मर यूज़ quality seed, adopt irrigation, use fertilizer, use crop protection measure. Use of any quality seed is not sufficient until they are properly irrigated, enriched with fertilizer and protected from biotic factor. Hence option C will give the most benefit. Why should preventive measure and biological control method be preferred for protecting crop? Diseases in plant are caused by pathogen. To get rid of pathogen, some preventive measure and biological control method are used, as they are simple, economic and minimize pollute without affecting the soil quality. What factor may be responsible for losses of grain during storage? Answer is, the factor responsible for losses of grain during storage are abiotic factor like moisture present in food grain, humidity of air and temperature. Biotic factor like insect, rodent, birds, mites, bacteria and fungi. Which method is commonly used for improving cattle breeds and why? Cross breeding is a process in which indigenous variety of cattle are crossed by exotic breeds to get breed which is high yielding. During cross breeding, the desired characters are taken into consideration. The offspring should be high yielding, should have early maturity and should be resistant to climatic condition. ठीक है, तो ये कॉमन मेथड यूज़ करते हैं तो इम्प्रूव होता है. Discuss the implication of the following statement. It is interesting to note that poultry is India's most efficient converter of low fibrous food stuff, which is unfit for human consumption, into highly nutritious एनिमल प्रोटीन फूड. आंसर है, बेसिक एम ऑफ पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग इज टू रेज डोमेस्टिक fall for egg production and chicken meat. These poultry birds are not only efficient converts of agriculture by products, particularly cheaper fibers waste, which is unfit for human uh, consumption, but can be formulated into cheaper diet for poultry birds, into high quality meat, and also help in egg, providing egg, feathers, and nutrient rich manner. For this reason, it is said that poultry is India's most efficient converter of low fiber food stuffed into highly nutritious animal protein food. What management practices are common in dairy and poultry farming? Shelter. Dairy animal and poultry bird require proper shelter, well designed dairy and hygienic shelter. Feeding. To get good yield of food products, proper feed is provided to dairy animal and poultry bird. Caring for animal health. Animal and bird must be protected from disease caused by virus, bacteria and fungi. तो उसे फूड की, शेल्टर की और हेल्थ केयर की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. ठीक है. What are the difference between broiler and layers are in their management? The poultry bird groomed for obtaining meat is called broiler. The egg is laying poultry bird is called layer. The housing, nutritional and environmental requirement of broiler and somewhat different from those of egg layer. The ration daily food requirement for broilers is protein rich with adequate fat. The level of vitamin A and K is kept high in the poultry feed, while layer require enough space and proper lighting. Question: How are fish obtained? There are two ways of obtain fish. One is from natural resources, which is called capture fishing. The other way is by fish farming, which is called culture fishery. What are the advantages of composite fish culture? In composite fish culture, a combination of 5 or 6 fish species is used in a single fish pond. These species are selected so that they do not compete for food among them and are having different type of food habits. As a result, the food available in all the part of the pond is used. For example, Catlas are surface feeders, rohus feed in the common carps are bottom feeder are grass, carps feed on the weed. Together these species can use all the food in the pond without competing with each other. This increase the fish yield from pond. What are the desirable characters of bee variety suitable for honey production? Answer है, the variety of bees should be able to collect a large amount of honey. The bees should stay in a given bee hive for longer period. The bee should have capacity of breeding well. The variety of bees should be disease resistant. What is pasturage and how is it related to honey production? The pasturage means the flower available to the bees for nectar and pollen collection in addition to adequate quantities, and pasturage the kind of flower available will determine the taste of the honey. Explain any one method of crop production which ensured high yield. One method used for crop production which ensured high yield is plant breeding. It is science involved in improving the variety of crop by breeding plant. The plant from different areas, places is picked up with desired trait and then hybridization, hybridization, hybridization or cross breeding of these varieties is done to obtain a plant crop of desired characteristic. The high yielding crop variety show the following characteristic: high yield, early maturation, less water for irrigation, better quality seeds are produced, less fertilizer required, adapt itself to the environmental condition. वो सब रिक्वायरमेंट होती है अच्छे क्रॉप के लिए. ठीक है. Why are manure and fertilizer used in field? They are used to ensure good vegetative growth, leaves, branches and flowers, giving rise to healthy plants that result in high crop production. What are the advantages of intercropping and crop rotation? Advantage of using intercropping: it helps to maintain soil fertility, it increases productivity per unit area, save labor and time. Both crop can be easily harvested. The process separately. Advantage of using crop rotation: it improves the soil fertility, it avoids depletion of the particular nutrition from soil, it minimizes pest infestation and disease, it helps in weed control, it prevents change in the chemical. What is genetic manipulation? How is it useful in agricultural practice? Genetic manipulation is process of incorporating desirable genes भी कहते हैं उसे characteristics into crop varieties by hybridization. Hybridization involves crossing between genetically dissimilar plants. This is done for production of varieties with desirable characteristics like profuse branching in fodder crop, high yielding varieties in maize, wheat, etc. Genetic manipulation is useful in developing varieties which show increased yield, better quality, shorter than early maturity period, better adaptability to adverse environmental condition, desirable characteristics. Question 5. How do storage grain losses occur? The factors responsible for losses of grain during storage are first, abiotic factor like moisture present in food grain, humidity of air and temperature. Biotic factor like insect, rodent, bird, mites and bacteria. Question 6. How do good animal husbandry practice benefit farmer? Answer है good animal husbandry practice are benefit to the farmer in the following ways. First, improvement of breed of the domesticated animal. Second, increasing the yield of foodstuffs such as milk, eggs, and meat. Third, proper management of domestic animal in terms of shelter, feeding, care, and protection against disease, which ultimately help the farmer to improve their economic condition. Question 7. What are the benefits of cattle farming? Answer है cattle farming is beneficial in the following ways. Milk production is increased by high yielding animal. Good quality of meat, fiber and skin can be obtained. Third, good breed of draught animal can be obtained. Question 8. For increasing production, what is common is poultry, fisheries and beekeeping. Answer है through cross breeding the production of poultry, fishery and beekeeping can be increased. Question 9. How do you differentiate between capture fishing, mariculture and aquaculture? Answer है capture fishing. It is fishing is which fishes are captured from natural resources like ponds, sea water and estuaries. Mariculture, it is culture or fish in marine water varieties like prawn, oyster, betki and mullet are culture for fishing. And aquaculture, it is done both in fresh water and in marine water. हमारे क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हुए. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियो. सो स्टूडेंट, इफ you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. I will answer it. So thank you.